So welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Normal Sam. So we are going to look at the square root of I. So the square root of I, it comes from square root of -1. But right now we want to find the square root of I. Remember this I, this one is a complex number. So this is the same as A plus BI. Yes. So this is the square root. That means we can introduce a square on both sides and remain this side with I. This side we're going to remain with A plus BI squared. Yes. Afterwards, so this is same as I equals to, this is A squared, yes, plus 2A BI minus B squared. But this B squared I, same as BI squared, the same as this is B squared I squared. Yes, but this I is same as the root of -1, so it's the same as minus B squared, which is here. Yes. So from here we can collect like times. This is I, this side we have I, so you can say I is equals to 2ABI plus A squared minus B squared. So this side is so this side is this number with an I, and this side is an I, so equate those ones with I together. So I'm going to remain with I equals to 2ABI. So this is same as if you divide by I and divide by I, I'm going to remain with 2AB equals to 1. Yes, and it's my A same as 1 out of 2B. So remember, we have equated this side is I and this side is I. So let us equate this side. This side is another 0 that we don't know. That means 0 equals to A squared minus B squared. Yes. So A squared minus B squared is the same as A squared equals to B squared. That means A is equals to B. Yes. So afterwards, from this is our equation 1, this is our equation 2. Yes. So from this one, we are going to include the value of A. Fuck you. So here, we are going to include the value of A. The value of A. So right now, what we are going to do, we are going to put this value of A in this equation. Yes, but my A equals to 1 out of 2B. So that means 0 is equals to 1 out of 2B squared minus B squared. Yes. So this is same as, take this on this side to be the same as B squared equals to 1 out of 4B squared. Yes. This is the same as B squared equals to 1 out of 4B squared. Yes. So this B squared we can cross multiply and take this B this side, so remain with B squared equals to, this is B squared times B squared equals to 1 out of 4. Same as B power 4 is equals to 1 out of 4. So same as B power 4, because the fourth root of 1 out of 4. So the fourth root of 1 is, remember this is a fourth root, so we are going to have a positive and a negative. The fourth root of 1 is always a 1. Yes. So the fourth root of 4, this 4 here, yeah, but the fourth root of 4, we can make our side work. So the fourth root of 4 equals to what? this is the same as 4 power 1 out of 4, and this 4 is the same as 2 squared 1 out of 4. Remember here, this is a bracket. It means you can apply it 2 times this 1 out of 4. Same as 2 times 1 out of 4. So this one will cancel and remain with 2 times power half. So this is the same as root 2. Yes, that means this is out of root 2. Yes, but remember we have our A equals to B. That means this is our B, and our A is also positive and negative 1 out of root 2. Yes, that means the square root of I is equal to A plus BI, whereby my first one it will be 1 out of root 2 plus 1 out of root 2i. Yes, and another one will be, this is my first one, will be negative 1 out of root 2 minus 1 out of negative 1 out of root 2i. So this is my answer, this one and this one. So thank you very much for listening.